I made $87 in 3.1 hours. At that rate, I made about $28, $29 an hour. Welcome back, everyone. I am Power Surge, and we've talked a lot about whether or not DoorDash is worth it. Well, today is one of those crazy days where I'm gonna try to show you that it can be worth it only on specific hours and times. Right now is a Sunday, and the screen is looking wild. We've got $7 and $8 bonuses all over the place. So I've got myself scheduled for Newport Beach, which is a wealthier area where I tend to have good luck getting tips and frequent deliveries. I'm gonna try and show you that I can make $25 an hour with DoorDash with these $8 bonuses, but only for these 3 hours. So I'm gonna cut it quits at about 7:30 when the Dash bonus ends. All right, it's 4:30. Let's rock and roll. I just started the Dash, it's 4:31, and as you can expect, when there's a bonus of $8 going on, a lot of people are trying to make that money. I've got to go right next to these busy restaurants, and I happen to know a good hot spot that I'm gonna go check out right now. Boom, and I already got one. $5.50 plus $8 to go to Little Caesars right now, and it's only a mile delivery. So it's 4:38, I just went into the Little Caesars and I placed the order. It's gonna take like 15 minutes for that pizza to cook. I had to use my red card, so it's super important you always bring this stupid little red card. I highly recommend you never go out on a Dash without it. Just leave it in your car even. You will get Dashes where you gotta use your red card, and if you don't have it, you're gonna have to deny orders. In order to get this $8 bonus per delivery we're shooting for, we have to accept pretty much every order. The goal here is gonna basically be to do at least 5 deliveries during this 4:30 to 7:30 period. That's $40 on top of maybe 35 bucks I'm making. That's almost 80 bucks. You know, I'm gonna try to go for 25 to 30 bucks an hour. It's 4:50. I just got that pizza. I'm on my way to my delivery, less than a mile away. So this is a piece of cake right now. Easy delivery. Just had to wait like 10 minutes for them to make the pizza. This is the easiest drop off of my life. Just go into the neighborhood next to the Little Caesars and hand these people their cheesy pretzel crust pizza. 4:53 p.m. I'm just about to get to this lady's house, drop off their order, and that is $13.50 in my pocket. I don't know how DoorDash is gonna make a profit as a company when they're paying me $13.50 to deliver $10 worth of Little Caesars. Don't forget the crazy sauce. I just dropped it off, the lady was ready for me. 13.5 bucks to deliver $10 worth of Little Caesars. That was the easiest 13 bucks I've ever made. Now I gotta rush back to get close to that busy area again. 4:57, I just got my second order. 5 miles for 13 bucks, I'll take that. Except, looks like we're headed to Carl's Jr. As if my life couldn't get any easier. This is one of those orders that you get to place yourself, but since it's a drive-through and there's nobody here, I'm not even gonna get out of my car. I'm just gonna go through the drive-thru and order this lady's combo meal right now, sitting in my car. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Not too bad. One Western bacon cheeseburger combo at number 3. And can we add the dessert, the chocolate cake?
You want a chocolate cake?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I need to use that red card. Keep that thing on you all the time. So while the food's cooking, I put the customer's address into my GPS, so I already got that ready to go. As soon as the food's ready, I'm ready to run. And it's only about 4 miles away. Thank you. It's a combo and the chocolate cake. Awesome. Thanks so much for your help. All right, it's time to hit the ground running, as Van Halen would say. I like to mob to this person's house because it's a Sunday, there is nobody on the road, and the road belongs to me. It's one of the reasons I love to drive on Sundays, because there's just not a whole lot of people out on the road. There's not much traffic. 5:20, we dropped that food off, and now I'm in Huntington Beach, so I'm actually a few minutes from my area where I'm supposed to be to get orders. So I got to mob real fast right back to Costa Mesa, Newport, because while I'm out here in Huntington Beach, I'm not going to get any orders. I just made $13.50 to drop off $9 worth of Carl's Jr. I don't know who's making any money, DoorDash or Carl's Jr., but I'm definitely making money. One super important thing that we got to keep in mind is that in order to make this $8 bonus per order, we got to accept 80% of the orders. And odds are I'm only getting like 5 or 6 orders for this whole shift. So I'm gonna accept just about every order. So we're gonna hope that no really long orders come our way, but even if they do, that's all right. We gotta take them, we're gonna do them as fast as possible. Because if you reject 1 or 2 orders in a shift, there's a good chance that you're not gonna get the extra $8. Pulled up to a Habit parking lot. It's 5:32 and I'm hoping I get an order real soon from either the sushi place, the Habit, or some other nearby restaurant. We've also got a Pickup Sticks and Boston Market across the street. Whole lot of stuff. Hopefully I get an order soon. I'm sitting here at Habit Burger. It's 5:37. Only a few minutes went by. Couldn't even play a game on my phone, you guys. Boom. 3.6 miles. Another $13.50 right here at the Habit Burger where I'm chilling. I went in the Habit just to see how the order was going. I walked right past the line of people waiting to order. Never wait in line behind people, just go right up to the takeout area. So I went right up and guess what? Somehow my food was ready, even though they just sent me this order 2 minutes ago. 4 cheeseburgers or whatever are done. One of the reasons I've always loved delivering food, and I used to love delivering pizza back in the day, was that you get to watch the sunset pretty much every night. You're working between 4 and 9 p.m., so you always get to see the beautiful sunsets. 3rd delivery completed. Getting close, we're doing good here. Obviously, it's getting late now, so I got my sweater on, sunglasses off. But underneath the sweater, I'm rocking my famous Juggernaut t-shirt, because I'm trying to crush it tonight. If you want to try DoorDash for yourself, you can go ahead, click a link below in the description. That will get you my referral bonus. It'll also get me a little referral bonus, which I will PayPal some of that to you when you complete your first 150 orders. I got my next order. Looks like we are going to Faux Saigon, right next to where I am right here. And it's gonna be 7 miles, but for 13.5 bucks, I'll accept that. And I'm already right here at Faux Saigon Pearl. We'll see how long it takes for them to get this food ready. All right, the good news for us is that we picked up our pho, which is our 4th delivery. Our goal is to make 5 deliveries. Of course, they're ordering Vietnamese food. They live in Irvine. So I gotta mob to Irvine real fast, which is out of Costa Mesa Newport area. But luckily, there's a Newport border that's close to Irvine, and I can go to there right after I drop off this guy's food. So we dropped off our 4th order. That's great news. The bad news, the app is currently screwed up. It says timed out, error. I'm gonna reboot my phone and hope that fixes this, because otherwise I'm in trouble. We've still got 1 or 2 orders to make in order to make this worthwhile. If the app blows up on us, that's not good. Success. I rebooted my phone and the app seems to be working now. Also, that drop off was super easy and we have an hour and a half left and all we gotta do is make 1 delivery to make this worthwhile. If I get 2 deliveries, I don't know what I'm gonna do. A Power Surge is gonna be a very happy YouTuber if we get 2 deliveries within the next hour and a half. I'm still kind of in Irvine, but I'm on the border of Irvine and Newport and I'm mobbing right back to Newport right now. All right, party people, that's it. We got our 5th DoorDash. It's Chronic Tacos. That'll get us $40 bonus on top of whatever else we make tonight. So I got my Chronic Taco and I'm going all the way back to Irvine. I just completed my 5th drop off, making $40 in bonuses, and I think I made about $79 so far for the night. But I still got 30 minutes left before this dash ends. Holy smokes, YouTube. It is 7:18 and I just got 1 more order. This means that we are getting 6 deliveries between 4:30 and 7:30. That means I'm gonna make, what, $48 for my bonuses, plus all the money for these orders? Man, this is gonna be close to $30 an hour tonight. I chose to do Sunday night as my delivery night because people are generous Sunday. I thought maybe that I'd get some good tips, you know, but actually last night, Saturday, I got much better tips. I was delivering in a wealthier area though, but I got a lot of close, short distant orders tonight. I can't be any more happy about that. It's really good when you get orders that are close together and nice and short, because then you can do a high volume of them like I'm doing tonight. So I get to the sweet tea place to pick up my order, and guess what? They're closing early for the night because they're having renovations or some kind of electrical problem. So luckily, boom! I'm accepting an order at 7:21 to go drop off some alcohol to somebody. This should get me the $8 bonus. Even though I had to cancel the sweet tea order, somehow the gods are looking out for me and they sent me another backup order. So I'm still gonna get $48 worth of bonus money. I got these bottles of wine and it's 7:28. Luckily, this house is only a mile away, so I'm gonna finish my shift tonight and I'm gonna be right next to home, and I think I'll have made close to $80. Oh my goodness. DoorDash YouTube friends. That guy gave me $9, so I got way more than the $5 I thought I was gonna get. It's 7:34. I've completed my shift. It's time to hit end dash and see how we did. You tell me, did we make any money tonight? I made $87 in 3.1 hours. So at that rate, I made about $28, $29 an hour. Now my odometer, I did drive about 45 miles. In a Prius, you know, that's less than a gallon of gas. For those of you who have a Prius, you know what it looks like when you put $5 in your tank. Feel pretty satisfied. I made $87. I really have to go to the bathroom. I feel like I've deserved a good hearty dinner myself now. And I want to thank you for watching this video, coming along this shift with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, smash that like button. Feel free to subscribe, leave a comment, tell me if I could have done something to make even more money, or if this was a pretty good dash and you guys are making DoorDashes like this on the weekends. I'd love to hear about it in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. In the description, I'm gonna leave a link to sign up for DoorDash. If you wanna try doing this yourself, making $28 an hour, just chilling in your car on a Sunday, then go ahead, click that link. That'll get you signed up for DoorDash. It'll also get you and me a bonus couple $100 after you finish your first 150 orders. Good luck to you, happy driving, just have a great day.